guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location, amenities, and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surrounding. Facilities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available at this hotel, along with various hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any